Hi guys. Today for our speech therapy, I thought that we would talk about shapes, and we would read our book about shapes and try and help these kids find the different shapes in their classrooms. And then I thought we could sort some shapes, so you can help me sort some shapes, and then we're also going to make some shapes using rubber bands. So we will go ahead and get started. All right, so this book is called Shape Spotters. That's the title of our book. The title is Shape Spotters, and the author is Megan Bryant. She's the one who wrote the story. The author is the person who writes the story, Megan Bryant, and it's illustrated. Illustrated means that's who drew the pictures, the illustrations. It is illustrated by Sammy Sweeten. So Sammy Sweeten is the one who drew the pictures. And again, our book is called Shape Spotters. Looking at our title of our book, Shape Spotters, what do you think our story is going to be about? Do you think it's going to be about letters or shapes? Yes, shapes, you're right. All right, so let's get started helping our classmates find different shapes in their school. Miss Carey's class is hunting for shapes. See all the different shapes you can find in the classroom. Look, what is he wearing on his shirt? Triangles, you're right. And then we've got all the different shapes over here. We've got a triangle, square, and a circle. All right, let's go help them. Are you ready to help them? They hunt for a shape in the library. Do you know, what do you do in the library? Yes, you read books. That's right. When you come to school and you see Miss Hendricks and she reads books to you in the library, or you might have a small library in your classroom where you can read books. So a library is a place to get books, but in this library, they're looking for a certain shape. Can you guess what shape it is? Let's see. They say it has 4 sides, but it's not a square. You're right. A square has 4 sides, but it's not a square. So look around. It's everywhere. Can you find a shape that has 4 sides, but is not a square? You think it's a rectangle? A rectangle does have 4 sides. Let's see. Dan sees some books. The books are rectangles. You were right. A rectangle has 4 sides, but it is not a square. All the kids pick up their rectangles. Let's see if we can make a square and a rectangle so that you can see what the difference is. So a square and a rectangle both have 4 sides. But in a square, all 4 sides are equal. But with a rectangle, only 2 sides are equal. Let's see. Let's see if we can make this. Here we go. See? See how this one is shorter? This side is shorter than this side. So this one is shorter, and this one is longer, right? And these are all the same size. In a rectangle, 2 sides are the same. The long ones are the same size, and the short ones are the same size. So again, what is this shape? A square, very good. And what is this shape? A rectangle, awesome. All right, let's keep seeing what other shapes that we can find. Now they hunt for a shape in the music room. Do you see some different shapes in the music room? Yeah, I do. I see circles, right? But they're looking for a shape that has three sides, and you can hear it ring. But it's not a bell. Their instrument goes ping, ping, ping. Do you see what shape they are looking for? Remember, it has three sides. What shape has three sides? You think it's a triangle? Let's see. Kate sees a triangle. You were right. The triangle has three sides, and this musical instrument is called a triangle, and it goes ping, ping, ping when you hit it with the stick. All the kids get triangles, and all the kids go ping, ping, ping. All right, let's see if we can make our own triangle. Are you ready? And you can draw these at home if you'd like. Remember, we made our square and our rectangle. Now we're going to try and make a triangle. How many sides does a triangle have? We just read it. How many sides does a triangle have? Oh, did I hear someone say it? 3. Yes, a triangle has 3 sides. Let's see. Is this a triangle? Yes. See, it has 1, 2, 3 sides. So now we have our square, our rectangle, and a triangle. Awesome. All right, let's see what shape is next. What shape do you think they're going to do next? Maybe, let's see. They hunt for a shape outside. Look at all the different shapes outside. I see a square, and I see a circle. I see a circle. Let's see what shape they're looking for. It says the shape has no beginning, and this shape has no end. It goes around and around and around. It curves and it bends. What shape goes around and around and around? A circle? Let's see. Anne sees hoops. The hoops are circles. You're right. A circle has no beginning and no end. It just keeps going and going. It goes around and around. All the kids play with circles, playing with hula hoops, because a hula hoop is shaped like a circle. All right, let's see if we can do our circle. Do you think I'd be able to do a circle on these that look like squares? I don't think so, but look at this side. This side has all the pegs shaped in a circle. Yes. So let's put our rubber band around it and see what our circle looks like. Should I use a blue rubber band? Should I use blue or green? Green? Okay, let's do a green circle. We'll start at the top, and we're gonna go all the way around. Let's see if my rubber band will, oh no, I broke my rubber band. Let's see if I can get a bigger one. Let's try the blue one. Let's see if the blue one will stretch to make a circle. All right, again, we're gonna start at the top. We're gonna go all the way around, and hopefully it won't pop on me again. Here we go. Did we do it? Yes. Look at our circle. Sorry, the light is making it hard to kind of see, isn't it? But there's my circle. That's a big circle, see? It almost fits the triangle, the square, and the rectangle inside of it. See, there's our triangle, our square, and our rectangle on this side, and we have our circle on this side. All right, let's keep reading. They hunt for a shape in the lunchroom. This shape has 4 sides, and all the sides are exactly the same. It's not a rectangle. Remember, we found a rectangle earlier. So what shape did we say has 4 sides and they're all the same size? It is not a rectangle. Can you find it? Did you say square? That's right. Pete sees some sandwiches. The sandwich is a square. A square has 4 sides, and all 4 sides are the same. See? All 4 sides of our square are the same. All right, remember earlier we made a triangle and a rectangle. And what was this shape? Yes, it's the square. Remember, that's the square because all the sides are they same or different? They are the same. That's right. All these sides are the same. Okay. Let's see if we found all the shapes for them. Miss Carrie says, watch this. Look. 2 rectangles and 2 triangles. So what did she do? Let's see if I can put my light back on so you can see. There we go. All right, so she took the square sandwich and she cut it in half. For this square sandwich, she cut it long ways and it made 2 what shapes? It's not a square anymore, but they still have 4 sides. What shape was that? A rectangle, you're right. And then she took this square and she cut it in the corners. She cut it, we call that diagonally. That's a big, long, amazing word, diagonally. So she cut it diagonally from one corner to the other. And what shape did it make here? We have 2, remember it has 3 sides. What shape has 3 sides? The triangle, you're right. So you can make a square into rectangles or triangles by cutting it. Maybe today, if you eat a sandwich for lunch, you can ask Mom to cut it so that you can see the different shapes. All the kids eat squares, rectangles, and triangles for lunch. Can you see? Let's see. Do you see something that is shaped like a circle? Oranges, yes. The oranges that they're eating are shaped like a circle. And then their sandwiches are squares or rectangles or triangles. Oh, now they're hunting for a shape in the art room. This shape is not a square. This shape is not a triangle, not a rectangle, sorry. Not a square. Not a rectangle. It has 4 sides. So another shape with 4 sides. But this one is turned at an angle. Can you guess what shape it might be? I'll give you a hint. Look at the table. What shape is the table? It looks like a square, but it's turned. It's turned at an angle, and so that makes it a... Can you guess it? A diamond, yes. Mike sees some cutouts. The cutouts are diamonds. A diamond has 4 sides, but it is not a square, and it is not a rectangle. Remember, a square is 4 sides, and they're all the same. Rectangle is 4 sides, and they're different. They have a long side and a short side. And then a diamond, they're all the same size, but it's turned at an angle. So it's up and down like an angle. See our triangle here? Our diamond here. There's our diamond. All right, let's see if we can make a diamond. I might have to get rid of some of our shapes here. We'll get rid of the triangle so that we can see all of the shapes that have 4 sides. So here's our square, here's our rectangle, and let's see if I can make a diamond. Here we go. Here is a diamond. Can anybody think of something that we play with outside that is shaped like a diamond? We fly it up in the air. Can you guess what it is? A kite. Yes, you're right. We fly a kite high in the air. So we have all of these shapes have 4 sides. They're all the same sides, but the difference is the square, remember, has their 4 sides are all the same. And then the rectangle, we have a 2 long sides and 2 short sides. And then the diamond, they're all the same size, just like the square, but instead of it being up and down like this, it's turned at an angle, and so it makes it look like a diamond, like a kite. All right, let's see if that's it for our friends. The bell rings. It's time to go home. Wait, there is one more shape. One more. Can you guess what it might be? Look closely. What shape did we miss? A star. Yeah, we missed the star. It's a star. All the kids get stars. Miss Carrie says, "Great work, shape spotters. See you tomorrow." So the last one was a star, and we'll see if we can make a star before we do our shapes, before we do our shape sorting. Now, I'm not promising that I can make a star with this one, but we're gonna try, okay? Here we go. I think what we're gonna do is inside of our circle, I'm gonna try to make a sort of star. Let's see. I need some more rubber bands though, because the star has 5 tips, 5 points on it. So let's see. If I can make a star. I think I've almost got it, guys. It may not work though. So I'm trying to do it right here, but it's not wanting to stick. So we'll try 2 more. Is that sort of kind of starting to look like a star a little bit? We need 1 more side. What do we think? I'm having a little bit of problems. There. There is our star. All right. Thank you for looking at the shapes with me. Now, let's see if we can sort some shapes. So I have my bag here of shapes. And then I have my cups. I have a yellow cup, a red cup, a green cup, and a blue cup. So the yellow cup is a tiger, and the red cup is a monkey, and the green cup is I think he's a dinosaur, and the blue cup is a hippo. Yes. All right, and we're missing 1 color cup. I could not find. Let's see. Remember we have yellow, and we have blue, and we have red, and we have green. What color am I missing? Orange. You're right. I couldn't find an orange cup. So I got an orange basket. So we will use that to sort our shapes. We'll talk about shapes and colors. We've got the different shapes here, and then we will put them based on what color they are. Let's see. Let's see what our first shape is. Are you ready? All right. What shape is this? Remember we talked about it. It has no beginning and no end. It just goes around and around and around. It's a circle. Yes, you're right. It is a circle. But what color is this circle? This is Miss Amanda's favorite color. What color is it? Yellow. Very good. This is a yellow circle. And so let's see where we can put it. Should we put it in the red monkey or the yellow tiger? Does it go here? No. Does it go here? Yes. See, the yellow matches the yellow tiger. All right. Let's see what our next shape is. What is this? Oops. Remember, this one has how many sides? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is a shape with 4 sides. It's a shape with 4 sides. Are all of these sides the same length, or are they different? It is the same. That's right. So was the shape with 4 sides and all sides are the same? Is that a square or a rectangle? A square. Very good. All right. And should our square, I want you to say it with me. Say blue square. Good job. Let's try it together. Blue square. Good. Okay. Should our blue square go in the dinosaur or the hippo? Dinosaur, hippo. Hippo. Very good. All right, let's see if we can find, what color should we do next? Red? Let's do red. We didn't talk about this shape in our book. But who can tell me what shape this is? We know it's red. What shape is it? A heart. Very good. It is the shape of a heart. You have a heart in your chest. I have a heart in my chest. This is the heart shape. And what color did we say it is? Red. Very good. All right. So what cup should it go in? Does it need to go in the dinosaur cup or the monkey cup? The monkey cup. Very good. So we've got one in our yellow cup. We've got one in our red cup. We've got one in our blue cup. What color are we missing? Green and orange. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. We'll do orange first. We've already done this shape, but we're going to practice it again, okay? First, let's talk about the color. The color is orange. Very good. The color orange. And again, this has 4 sides, and they are all the same length, right? See how they're all the same length? Let's turn it this way. So this is our square, but let's turn our square at an angle. Now what shape is it? A diamond. Right, remember the diamond in our book? It has 4 sides that are all the same, but instead of looking like a square, it's turned at an angle, and now it's a diamond. All right, good. So does the diamond go in our basket or our alligator? I mean, our dinosaur. Because alligators don't have those on their nose, do they? Which one? The basket? I think you're right. See, our orange matches. Very good. All right, last color. What color was it? Green. Yeah, we're looking for green. So let's see our green shape. Who can tell me what shape that is? Right, it's a star. And remember, how many points does a star have? We talked about this. How many points does it have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good counting. A star has 5 points on it. Very good. All right, let's put our star in our bucket. Does it go in, or the cup, does it go in the monkey, the red cup, or the dinosaur, the green cup? The monkey? No? The dinosaur? Yes, very good. All right, great. So we have a shape in every cup now. There was our square. Here's our star. Here is our heart. Here is our circle. And last, here is our, and we're going to turn it at an angle, and it is a diamond. Very good. I'm so glad you got to join me today and that we got to talk about shapes. And we got to do some counting, and we got to answer some questions. We got to do a little guessing. We got to do a little sorting. I hope you had a good time, and I hope you have a great week, and I will see y'all soon. Bye, guys.